Hello and welcome back to another session where we take your ideas from scribbles to slides, all with the HP OmniBook Ultra. Today, we're going to explore how Copilot in PowerPoint can help you build sharp, professional, and engaging presentations with a lot less effort. Our example today is a topic that applies to all of us: personal branding for professionals. Whether you're creating a deck for a workshop, webinar, or even a pitch, the HP OmniBook with its 360-degree hinge, high refresh rate OLED touchscreen, and AI-optimized performance transforms the way we create slides. Now, let's start from scratch. I'll give Copilot this simple prompt: create a 5-slide presentation on branding for professionals in the digital age. In seconds, it gives me a structured deck with slide titles like what is personal branding, why it matters in your career, building your brand online, and quick tips to elevate your presence. Now, for those of you at home, you can change this prompt to whatever you feel fits your industry. As a Copilot Plus certified PC, the HP OmniBook Ultra gives you access to an advanced AI workspace that enhances productivity. Design is no longer a bottleneck, as you can simply let your ideas flow while the HP OmniBook Ultra works on clean, compelling visuals for your audience. And when it's time to present in person, the 360-degree hinge allows you to switch to tablet mode, making presentations a lot more interactive and touch-friendly. Now that we have the skeleton of our presentation ready, it's time to tweak it and modify its phrasing or tone. Now let's say the content on a slide is too formal or technical. You can highlight it and ask Copilot to simplify or rewrite it for a specific tone. For example, I might ask, make this more conversational, or summarize this in 2 bullet points. Now as you can see, this changes our output. The high-speed AI processor and blazing fast RAM ensures that even large documents and AI-generated slides process smoothly, reducing lag and enhancing workflow efficiency on the HP OmniBook Ultra. Okay, now that we have 2 bases covered, it's time to move on to the third one, and that is your visual design. Now, say I want to spruce up a slide a little bit. I type in, suggest icons for each tip on this slide, or redesign the slide to feel more modern and sleek. Now, Copilot will offer layout options, graphics, and even call on Microsoft Designer to elevate the look. Now that we have that in place, it's time to plug in our data and make this whole thing come together. Say I have stats about LinkedIn growth or engagement rates. I can now add them in and simply ask Copilot to turn it into a chart or summarize the key takeaway. This will totally transform your data storytelling. Create a simple bar chart showing the rise of personal branding keyword searches from 2020 to 2024. What I get is a clean chart and a summary that shows me that interest in personal branding has doubled since 2020, showing it's now more relevant than ever. The HP OmniBook Ultra's AI engine enhances design workflows, integrating seamlessly with Copilot for real-time collaboration. Wi-Fi 6E connectivity also ensures cloud-based tools sync effortlessly, so your latest slides are always ready wherever you work. Now that we've reached the refinement stage of your presentation, we can just ask Copilot if we're stuck on something or something just simply doesn't feel right. For example, I can ask it, what's a stronger title for this slide? Or write speaker notes explaining this concept. This will help me once I go present this to other people or simply present this on stage. Now this gives me real-time help without disrupting the flow of my work, which is a huge boost. Well, that's been Copilot in PowerPoint on the HP OmniBook Ultra, your AI sidekick for faster, smarter presentations. Next time you're working on a deck, try giving Copilot a prompt and let it do the heavy lifting. Thank you for joining this quick session, and we'll open the floor to some questions that you may have.